Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s squared. We need to do another factorization by positive number 4. So s minus 2, s minus 2, we can do another factorization. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 2, capital B s plus c over s squared plus 4. Because we have the power 2, so on numerator we need to reduce by 1 unit of the power, so we have bs, and later that we need to reduce the power from number 1 to number 0. Next, we need to do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about this one. So capital A multiplied by s squared plus 4. About this one, it is missing about s minus 2. So we have bs plus c multiplied by s minus 2. And this one, we have s minus 2 s squared plus 4. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, this one we have as squared and 4a. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a and b. About s, we have negative 2b plus c. About the number, we have this one. Now, we need to compare coefficient. About s squared, we don't have s squared in here, so a plus b equals to number 0. About s, we have negative 2b plus c, so this one we have number 5. That means this one equals to number 5. About the number, this one equals to negative number 3. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 0, negative 2b plus c equals to number 5, 4a minus 2c equals to negative number 3. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So this is the answer of ABC. Now we put ABC cone here. So A equal to 7 over 8. B, that is about negative 7 over 8. And C, that's about this one. So we can separate them in here. Next, we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 7 over 8 ln of the absolute value of s minus 2. The integration of this one, we have negative 7 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 4. Number 8 and number 2, we have 16. This one we have 1 over 2 all time of s over 2, and I will put about c. So for a number 2 we have 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.